Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle. So in this video, I am going to explain the Fourier series of discontinuous function. So first we see how to write Fourier series of given function. So we have one condition that we call the Dirichlet condition. If fx satisfy the Dirichlet condition, so we can write the Fourier series of the given function. So Dirichlet condition has three conditions. One has your f should be periodic, single valued function and finite. Second one, f should have finite number of maxima and minima, and third one, your f should have finite number of discontinuous point. If f satisfy all this property, then we can write the Fourier series. Let us see first formula for Fourier series. So let your f is defined from minus pi to plus pi. Then we can write Fourier series f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx, where n vary from 1 to infinity, 1 vary from 1 to infinity. Fine. Now if your f is defined from minus L to plus L, then we can write. So first let me explain first a0, an, bn. These are the Fourier coefficient, and we can write a0, an, bn using Euler formula. So this formula is Euler formula, that is a0 equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x dx, and an equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x and cos nx dx, and bn equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So this coefficient formula is called the Euler formula, and this is called the Fourier series. Now if you change the interval, let us change the interval minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L, then your Fourier series will be, your f is periodic function on minus L to plus L, so your Fourier series f of x will be a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L plus summation bn sin n pi x by L. Here summation vary from 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. So here we have n pi x by L. So this L is coming that half of length of this interval. Now we can write a0 equal to 1 by L and minus L to L f of x dx. Fine. An equal to 1 by L minus L to plus L f of x and cos n pi x by L dx, and bn equal to 1 by L minus L to plus L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. So this is your Fourier coefficient for this minus L to plus L. Now if you change the interval, if you write a to b, any general interval, if your f is periodic function defined on the interval a to b, so let me write the Fourier series for this. So f of x equal to your a0 by 2 plus summation an cos n pi x by L. L was half of length of this interval. So b minus a by 2. So b minus a by 2. So 2. So cos 2 n pi x by b minus a plus summation bn sin 2 n pi x by b minus a, where a0 equal to 2 upon b minus a. Earlier we have 1 by L, so L equal to b minus a by 2 and a to b f of x dx and an equal to 2 upon b minus a to b f of x and cos 2n pi x by b minus a dx, and similarly we can write the your bn equal to 2 upon b minus a integral a to b f of x sin 2n pi x by b minus a dx. So this is your bn formula. So if f is defined on any interval, so we can write the Fourier series. I have given that from minus pi to plus pi, minus L to L, and for any given interval a to b. Now let me take one example for if f is discontinuous function, so how to write the Fourier series. I will take an example f of x. I will take an example f of x equal to minus pi when x vary from minus pi to 0 and x. Fine. So here f is defined and 0 is the point of discontinuous. 0 is the point of discontinuity. So let me write the a0. So a0 equal to, so this is defined as minus pi to plus pi. a0 equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. Fine. Now 1 by pi. Now we have to break on the 0. So we can have minus pi to 0. Your function is minus pi dx plus 0 to pi and x dx. Fine. Now let me integrate 1 by pi and minus pi x. So 0 plus pi, 0 pi will get, and plus x square by 2. So pi square by 2. So here minus pi square plus pi square by 2. So minus pi square by 2 pi, so minus pi by 2. So a0 equal to minus pi by 2. So we have got a0. Now let me try to find the an and bn. 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi and f of x cos nx dx. Fine. Then 1 by pi, so to break in the two parts, so one part will be minus pi to 0. In the place of f we have minus pi cos nx dx plus 0 to pi x cos nx dx. Fine. Now we need to integrate and substitute the value upper limit minus lower limit. So let me integrate 1 by pi. So first integration, so sine integration is sine difference and cos, so cos is sine. So we get minus pi will be as it is constant, and this will be sine nx by n. Interval is minus pi to 0. Fine. First term. And for the second term, we have to go by integration by parts. So we can have first term, we can have x into integration of first term. So this will be sine nx by n interval 0 to pi minus differentiation of this x, so 1, and again integration of this, so this will be plus cos nx by n square from 0 to pi. Then so see, for this sine term, if you put 0, sine 0 0, sine minus pi 0, so this term will be 0. If you put pi 0, sine pi 0, sine 0 0, so first two term is 0. Now we'll have the last term. So the last term will calculate like this, only single term. So 1 by pi, and here we have n square. So I can write 1 upon pi n square, and cos n pi minus cos 0. So cos n pi minus cos 0. So this will be 1 upon pi n square and minus 1 power n minus 1. So this is your an. So an equal to 1 by pi n square and minus 1 power n minus 1. Now let me try to find bn. So for bn equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi and f of x sin nx dx. Fine. Now since 0 is the point of discontinuity, so you have to break on the 0. So we get 1 by pi and minus pi to 0, and f equal to minus pi sin nx dx plus 0 to pi x sin nx dx. Fine. Now let me integrate and see what we are getting. So 1 by pi, so first term will be minus pi as it is constant, and sin nx we have, so integration will be cos nx by n from minus pi to plus pi. Okay, and the second term will go with the integration by parts. So first term x into cos, so here limit is minus pi to 0, right? Minus pi to 0. Now for this one, x cos nx by x n integral 0 to pi. Fine. And second term will be differentiation of x, that is a 1, and integration of this. So this will be, so here we get minus because sine we have, so integration of sine will be minus cos x, and here minus by formula. So now we'll get the sine nx by n square 0 to pi. Fine. So this is the integration we have. Now let us substitute that upper limit minus lower limit and see what answer we are getting. So here integration of sine nx will be minus cos nx, right? I did not put minus here. So now if you simplify, so what we get? So the sine term will be 0 because sine pi and sine 0. So here first term 1 by pi, and here plus we have, so pi, and cos 0, so pi by n we can take common. So we have cos 0 minus cos pi. Fine. Cos 0 minus cos pi, and for this we have one term minus pi and cos n pi by n. Okay, pi we have, so pi cancel, we get 1 by n. So your bn equal to, we get 1 by n, and here you get 1 minus power n, and this is also here n pi minus power n. So we get 1 minus 2 into cos n pi. So your bn equal to 1 by n, 1 minus 2 minus 1 power n. So we got the bn. So now we'll write the Fourier series. So we have got a0, a and bn. So let me write the here a1. So a1 will be minus 2. So minus 2 by n equal to 1 pi. Let me write the a2. So a2 will be 0, a3 equal to again minus 2 by pi and 3 square, right? A4 equal to 0, like that we can write. And here let me write the b1 here. So b1 equal to 1 upon 1, 1 minus, here we get minus, so plus we get 1 plus 2, 3 will get, fine, 3, and so 3 by 1, 3. b2 equal to, we get 1 by 2 and 1 minus, so this will be plus 1 minus 1, so we get minus 1, so we get minus 1 by 2, and b3 equal to 1 by 3 and 1 plus 2, so 3 we get, so he get 1 here. So now your Fourier series f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus a1 cos nx, n equal to 1 means x, plus a2 cos 2x plus a3 cos 3x dot 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 plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin 2x plus b3 sin 3x plus dot dot dot. Now substitute the value of a0, a1, a2, b1, b2 and all. So we get f of x equal to a0 equal to minus pi by 2. So we get pi by 4 plus a1 equal to minus 2 by pi cos x plus a2 0, a3 equal to minus 2 by pi 3 square cos 3x plus dot 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 plus b1, so b1 equal to 3, so 3 sin x plus b2 equal to minus half, so minus 1 by 2 sin 2x, b3 equal to 1 plus sin 3x plus dot dot dot. So this is your Fourier series. If you like my video, so please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.